Hi guys, welcome back to Simple Forex Trader. Today we're trading the Euro against the Aussie dollar on a 5-minute chart. So what we're going to do now is sell the market. So we're selling the market. There's something happening in this area here that our student knows already, and we are selling the market because also it's within our method that is working for us 80-90% of the time. So I'll take that out. And I'll stop. Take profit will be down here. I'll take it down, and our stop loss will still be up there as well, just above the previous high. So here we are, and we'll come back shortly. Now, before we come back, I just want to show a 123 calculator to give us the take profit target. So one up there. Oh, sorry, let me do it again. We'll just do it the other way. How do I clear this? Clear. Alright, one there. Why isn't it working? Clear, that's better. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so pretty much in the same line there anyway. So we'll come back shortly, let you know how we go with this trade. So stay tuned everyone. See you soon. Hi everyone, welcome back to Simple Forex Trader. As you know, we are already in our take profit target. So I just plot a 1, 2, 3 here for you to make sure that we get it. So we use these. We just use this one. We just use this one here, and yeah, there's a 1, 2, 3 right there. So it's hitting the first target, and our take profit now is about $7, $6-7, and this time I'm trading the right account. So what we're going to do is that we're going to do something different. We're going to actually we're going to call it the break-even trade, where we move our stop loss from here and we follow our trade all the way down to our 5th target here. I think we just did a 5th target. Let me just move my stop loss, my take profit a bit further down, just in case it hits it. And then we've got no more trade. So what I mean is, if I plot it here, now I'll plot a bigger 1, 2, 3, sorry, which is here, here, and here. So if you already in the 1, 2, 3 class with Forex Mentor, you want to know how to plot it. But if you don't, you can join. But it gives us the target here. This is the 1, 2, 3 target. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to wait for the price action to move down to the 1st target, 2nd, or maybe just close to this, and then we exit our trade. So we've got about another 35 pips to go for this to move down, and so we can close the trade. But what we'll do this time is that we're going to do something different. We're going to actually follow through with our stop loss. So we move our stop loss down to break even. For example, we move it down here. So if the market goes up there, we get stopped out, but we won't get stopped out at a loss. We get stopped out at a break even, or at a certain profit level as well. But in the meantime, if the market push it down towards our 1st target here, we then still make money, a bit more than we normally make for scalping. So we're going to follow it through, and the reason why we do that is because we feel that if you look at a longer time frame, there is a big movement here, that we think there's a big movement down on a 4 hour, sorry, here, that it's already way overbought. So it's definitely gonna retrace it down to here to to take our profit. So we'll see how we go anyway, but it's already starting to move now. This candle alone is probably about 10 pips at least. Yep, 11.5 pips. So we'll come back shortly and let you know. So my stop loss now is moved to here. Let's move to the halfway range, the 62% range, and we'll come back and see you shortly. Thanks for watching. Hi guys, welcome back to Simple Forex Trader. So as you can see, we move our stop loss from previous high to the 62% retracement. But what we can do now, because this current price action is about to break through the previous low here, which is this the line here. So what we do is that we're going to move our stop loss to a break even, and then we can just ride all the way down. Or if it comes back up to trace, we will definitely get stopped out with a break even or at a small profit. So just going to move it down like this. So what you hold on to your stop loss in the price range, and then you drag it down, and on the left hand side you see that the dollar amount is moving with it as well, and also the pips. So if you keep dragging, and then you got to about there, it tells you you're about $2.40 in profit, about 2 pips, and then let go, and there's your stop loss there just below your original price. So if the market retraces back to where our stop loss level is here, it will stop us out at a profit of $2.40, something like that. If it's not, the market's going to dictate, and it's going to follow the trend down here towards our major target. Then we can also keep moving our take profit all the way down as we go, bit by bit, because we're watching it the market live anyway, so we can actually move it according to what the price action tells us. Okay, so that's it for now. So I'll come back to share with you later and see how we go. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome back to Simple Forex Trader. So today we're trading live on the Euro Aussie dollar on a 5-minute chart. So we're trading a lot in open. As you know, that we moved our stop loss down to break even, but now we can actually trial our take profit. So our stop loss is here. We're going to actually move it down towards the towards the moving average. I'm not going to tell you what moving average that is. Just send us a message or a comment. I'll tell you what that is. So, and then we're just going to trial all the way down. Every time the moving average comes down, we just follow that moving average. And yeah, all my students can do the same as well. And we'll come back shortly and see how we go. We are definitely now in profit. The profit right now is $17. Around that price, because it's moved up and down, and our balance should be $255, and this is the 10k challenge account, not the other one. Sorry about that, guys. So looks like it's going to break through now, and I'll come back shortly and share with you the exciting possibility of trialing our stop loss. Okay guys, welcome back to Simple Forex Trader. We seeing a bit of retracement here. It comes down, breaks through the previous low, and it hits a low here, about 15 pips. So now it's retracing back, and we did move our stop loss target down here, just next to the moving average. So this candle here is about just under 2 minutes to go. I think it may hit our take profit, so our stop loss target, which is in positive anyway. If it does hit, that's it for the day. That's our secondary trade for the day. We're still in profit, so no harm done. But this is just to teach my student that we can trial our stop loss and still make a fair bit of pips on that trade as well. So we're just going to wait 1 minute, just over 1 minute now, to see how this candle is doing. But I've got the feeling that it is the next candle might just hit our trailing stop loss, because down here we see MACD is actually moving or getting closer to each other. So, and also the histogram is also getting smaller, so it may just hit our stop loss. And you may ask, why aren't you moving the stop loss back to where you originally started? Well, that's not the point. We don't want to break the rule. We got to stick to the rule and stay with it. We don't want to play around with our rule. If you do play around our rules, there's no point in committing to something, because then it will not work effectively, and we get emotional in that case. So we don't want to do that. We'll just make sure we stick to the rule, write it down, and just follow it always. That way you have a strong rules and a strong system in place where you fully committed to it and you fully stick to the plan. That's important. Sticking to the plan is always going your ways, and there's no point just to jump up and down and change this, change that, because then you'll be confused and you're not following the rules, and next thing you know, you might blow your account because too many chop and change. So stick to the rules. We'll see how this candle go. This is a new candle. Looks like it started off red, so that's a good sign at least. So we want to see this red candle here move down past the previous green candle, which is we can go down, break the previous low here on that candle, and then we're seeing some good sign. But let's see how it plays out, and maybe we just keep recording for a bit. So just want to share that it will going to take out my stop loss. Our stop loss target if this candle is going to push up. There we go. The current balance is $17. Alright, we'll reach about $40-50 before, because it's come down here, almost hit our take profit line here, and we didn't quite make it. So I think we went down, we're about 5 pips away. So maybe it might come back down, retrace back here. After the retracement, it might come back down and take out this previous low here. So we'll have to wait and see. But the crucial test is this candle here, this current one, showing sign of red. And if that's the case, that's good news. If not, we're just going to get hit. Either way, we're laughing. We still make a bit of pips there. Okay, so remember the previous trade, the first trade we did at the London session. When it starts, we actually made profit from that trade, and then this is secondary trade, so we already made some serious profit before that anyway. And if you haven't seen that video, it's on the previous video on our channel. Okay, so most likely it's gonna hit. So maybe not. Let me zoom in a bit. Yeah, there we are. But I just want to check 15 minutes. 15 minutes got a bit of a, yeah, histogram is shrinking a bit too, and there's a dot here, so it shows it is, yeah, giving a bit of a sign there. Yeah. Green, green, red, okay. Sorry, going too fast. Alright, 1 minute to go. This one here. There we go, we've got a histogram here, like small dot sitting on the top of the zero line. But don't know. Well, hold out thought, we'll pause the video, I'll come back shortly. At the moment we're sitting on a red candle. As soon as we hit our stop loss, I'll turn it back on. Won't be long. Okay guys, welcome back. So we see a big wick here. So like it looks like a strong red candle, but there's a wick here. Let me zoom in. Looks like it's trying to push up towards the moving average. I'll try and stop loss. But I'm pretty confident because of the red candle here. No, not red anymore. It's squeezing. So just want to show you when I was trying stop loss get hit. That's all. So, and that's when we know it's all over. Or maybe it's not over yet. Maybe it's live on to fight another day. But I just want to share you. What I want to see now is the next candle, if it's not going to move up and hit our stop loss, try and stop loss, is that it comes back down here and it breaks this previous low, and then this previous low, and then this previous low. That's what I want to see. So as you can see, the last 4 candles are green. So we'll see how this 5th one going. No, looks like we're not going to make it. Don't want to say it yet because we've got that moving average is rejecting that moving average very strongly. That's good sign. Got a nice red candle. But you know, when we are scalping the market, we gotta be mindful that you know, we already know that we in advance that we are already in the money. We're already making pips right now. So it doesn't matter if we get stopped out on a trailing stop loss or not. We still feel that we are already on top. We are already ahead of the game. So we don't need to panic and worry about what, you know, that we're missing out or something. So don't be scared about that, because we already know that we're already in profit right now. Okay, so there you go. Right, so I'll just let this recording run for another, well, end of this candle, then we'll see where it's heading. If it's break through that moving average, then we'll head towards the next moving average there, which is where we originally targeting our trailing loss, stop loss. But I'm surprised the candle here is fairly small, like small green candle. Oh, there you go, got stopped out. There you go, guys, we're done. All trades are done. Our stop loss are hit, and we're still in profit at $12.60. So that's how you trailing a stop loss, and when the market trace and take our stop loss. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching, and hope you enjoyed today's live trading class, and I'll see you back next time, and have a good day.